24 Infiniti QX60. I'm going to show you how to take that taillight out. Are you ready for this? Push the button. And it says to you, I'm going to open Sesame. And then I'm going to show you that this cover pops right off. It's so easy. So easy. Just like this. Ready? Watch this. I love brand new cars. I really do. See those two 10 mils? Well, I already took them out over there. So, same light. Look, pops right back in, like nothing ever happened. Okay, fingerprints off. Take these out. Now, I gently, Wesley, pulled from here. Okay. Now, it did come out, which is good. Okay. But here is the culprit of why it's in there. You got this guy right here, this guy right here. Pops in right there, pops in right there. Alright, now if you want to take it out, I'm not going to because the car's on and it's too hot. Just push that guy in, there you go. There is your taillight for a 24 Infiniti QX60. And I hate black because see how you can see my... Put this guy back, line him up. Boop. There you go. Put the 210 mils back, and we're going to say sayonara. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.